How you like your eggs, fried or fertilized? The way you move your hips, girl, make me hypnotized. How you like your eggs, fried or fertilized? 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 The way you move your hips, girl, make me hypnotized.
It was early morning, about 9 o'clock. I had a freak last night, made a body rock. Feeling kinda groggy, stomach toss and turns. She said, was that your belly, or was it bird chirp? I said that I was hungry. She said, baby, me too. Why don't we go out and get us some breakfast food? We ain't gotta leave to get no breakfast food, cause I'm a lady tamer and a chef too. So I began to cook until I had a shook. She wasn't ready for the recipe and hummus book.
How you like your eggs, fried or fertilized? How you like your eggs, fried or fertilized? How you like your eggs, fried or fertilized? The way you move your hips, girl, make me hypnotized. How you like your eggs, fried or fertilized? 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 The way you move your hips, girl, make me hypnotized.
She said, I love your eggs. What did you do to 'em? The way the smell and taste really got a girl drooling. I knew that you would like it. Why you so surprised? How you like your eggs? Fried or fertilized? Fried or fertilized? Baby, I'm confused. Don't be offended. You got it misconstrued. When I say fried, I'm talking breakfast eggs. But when I'm fertilized, those are eggs between the legs. She began to blush. I heard a coochie whistle. She was feeding for the heat of our hummus missile.
How you like your eggs, fried or fertilized? How you like your eggs, fried or fertilized? How you like your eggs, fried or fertilized? The way you move your hips, girl, make me hypnotized. How you like your eggs, fried or fertilized? 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 The way you move your hips, girl, make me hypnotized.
I ain't playing, girl. Don't think you realize how you like your eggs, fried or fertilized. I ain't playing, girl. Don't think you realize how you like your eggs, fried or fertilized. I ain't playing, girl. Don't think you realize how you like your eggs, fried or fertilized. I ain't playing, girl. Don't think you realize how you like your eggs, fried or fertilized.
Peace.